So what does Wowo's Tire Restorer Tire Shine smell like? Let's find out. It's good. It's actually very good. I feel bad, like I've been dogging on Wowo stuff. It's just real hit or miss, you know. No reflection on the product, just I'm smelling things. So this is good. This smells like peaches and cream, like peaches cut up in like a bowl of milk or something, you know, like it's just very nice, very fruity, peachy smell. It's real good. That's about all there is to it. There's not much to say. It looks like peaches. It smells like peaches. I hope that's intentional and I'm not missing the mark here. Probably, again, I don't even know how many I've completely missed, but Wowo's Tire Restorer, peaches. Nice.